So I've got a question here for us to look at that at first glance may not really seem like a Newton's method question. All we're being asked to do is find the value of the fourth root of 6. Well, you just evaluate this number, approximate this number. There's no equation here. There's no function here. Those are things we kind of come to expect from Newton's method problem. But we actually can use it here. We're just going to have to come up with a function ourselves. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by just bringing a variable into the process. I'm going to say let x equal fourth root of 6. Okay, now I don't want to just set this equal to 0. Then it's still a linear equation. Not a whole lot we can do with that with Newton's method and its formula. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to raise both sides of this to the fourth power. And then I'm going to subtract 6. So if I do that, I get this equation. X to the fourth minus 6 equals 0. And this is the kind of thing that we can use Newton's method to solve. Right, now to do that, right, Newton's method, it really requires a function. So I'm going to let f of x equal x to the fourth minus 6. And I'm trying to find where this equals 0, right? I'm trying to find the roots of this function. All right, so at this point, this is where we're going to bring Newton's formula into it, right? And this is the formula for the next term. And now I'm going to substitute our function, x to the fourth minus 6, into the numerator. And the derivative of that, of course, is 4x cubed. So we'll put that into the denominator. And now we're good to go. Right, all we need to do is pick a starting point. Well, the fourth root of 1, obviously it is 1. And the fourth root of 16 is going to be 2. So fourth root of 6 has to be between those two somewhere. So I'm just going to split the difference. I'm going to let x sub 0, my initial approximation, I'm going to pick 1.5. Right, so we put 1.5 into the formula, start doing our iteration routine. This is what we end up with. And you can see, as we've seen Newton's method do before, it settles down really quickly. Right, it only took 3 passes through the formula for our answer to stabilize out to 4 decimal places. So I'm going to say that the fourth root of 6 is approximately 1.5650. So if you'd like to see the full context, you can click on the link up here on the left side of the screen. That'll take you to the corresponding lecture. And if you like this video, please don't forget to click on the like button down below.